What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer can buy. So I was looking into getting an electric razor, and I found this on Amazon. I was looking for one, and I didn't want to spend so much money on an electric razor, so I decided to take my chances on this. I guess you pronounce it ELEHOT. PS7510 is an electric razor. I got it for $25. I'm gonna leave a link down below for this product. So let's look around. Let's see what it says here. Okay, it has easy hold, high capacity battery, universal voltage. There you go. Gives you a lot of information. There's down the third. 2 hours fast charging. A sideburn blade. Okay, let's see what it says here. It has a 800 milliamp battery on it. Charging time is 2 hours, so you could use it for 60 minutes. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. All right, so everything we get inside, we get a little booklet, tell you everything you need. Little brush, charging cable to charge it up, and the product itself, which feels nice and heavy. Nice blades. Okay, not bad. Let's take this plastic off. Nice feel. Let's turn it on and see what it says. There you go. It works right away. It's at 98%. And one thing I know about this electric shaver that I was reading also on, you could use this on the dry and wet. Let's pop it open. Let's see how this looks. Nice. It looks pretty decent. And then the sideburns, which most people don't use it, but if you do, there you go. They have one. And you know what? I'm gonna test it out and see how good this really is. $25. Definitely comes with a little cleaning. So after you're done using it, you clean it up, put it away. But you could definitely use it on dry or wet surface, which means your face. If it's dry or wet, you could definitely use it. So let me take it to my bathroom and I'm gonna show you how to use it or what it does, if it really works. So let's go upstairs and see how it works. All right, so I'm in my bathroom right now, and I don't know if you could tell I got a little hair there. That's why I bought this, just so I could shave this part right here. So before I do that, I want to clean it up a little bit, just because it's brand new, and that's something that you should do. Let me show you what I use to clean it up. Right, so what I use is this clear care. I'm gonna leave also a link down below for this product. This is what I use to clean it up every time I use it, and to lubricate it a little bit. So like I was saying, that foam fell off, but just take the can, just do one of these numbers. Well, let me just spray down, blow it off if you want, and I'm just gonna do one side of my face. Probably do this side first, and I'm gonna leave this empty so y'all can see the difference and the steps that, like, the ways that I do it is depend how you feel. So let's turn it on. So let me show you how I look. See how that one side's heavy? This one is a little bit. And one thing about electric razor that a lot of people misunderstand is you're not supposed to have a bunch of hair. It's like when you shave and you last 2 or 3 days without shaving, this is what you use. If, like, you see how much hair I have here, it didn't take as much, but one thing I tell you, you can feel the difference. And I only did like 4 or 5 passes on it. So if I keep going with it, if I keep doing the same thing I'm doing, I mean, I feel my skin smooth. It's very smooth. It's not as rough as this side. It's actually really smooth. So if you shave and then you last 2 or 3 days without shaving, this is what you use. If you don't want to shave all again. And this just keeps it nice and low, nice and smooth, and you don't gotta be dealing with shaving and all that. Sometimes it gets a pain in the ass, especially with the edger here. I don't really use this much the edger, but we're gonna try to see how it does. Let's try it out. don't really like the edge. I just use the razor, and I can't complain about it. It does what it's supposed to do. Definitely does what it's supposed to do. So definitely, I definitely approve to this because it's supposed to trim, not shave your, like, if you have this much hair, if I pass it through here, it's not gonna do nothing. It's just gonna jam up because it's too much hair. It's the beginning little hairs that come up when, like, after 2 or 3 days without shaving, the little hairs that come up that you can start feeling it. This is the best thing. But if it's full grown hair with a little length into it, it really is not gonna do much. So I definitely recommend this as a gift, and if you want to go for the higher end one, go ahead. But if you just want to have few of them laying around, I can't complain about this. This will definitely do the job. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm gonna leave a link down below for the product that I use and the spray can. This way, the spray can also. It's a boy Kartoon. Peace.